Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me tonight. I'd like to take a few minutes and talk to you about how essential oils work in the body. You'll see here that I have a picture of a cell. And our bodies are made up of millions and millions of cells, and each of them are protected by an outer membrane or a cell membrane. And it kind of works like the brain of the cell. It decides what it's going to let in and what it's going to keep out. You'll notice here that bacteria and infections are kept outside of the cell. And this is because our outer membranes see the bacteria and infections as foreign material. So it's going to keep them out of the cell. So you see how they attach to the outer membrane and just hang out outside the cell. When we go to the doctor and we have an infection, usually they will give us an antibiotic. Now, antibiotics are synthetic medications, so they are also seen by our cells as foreign material. So they are going to be kept outside of the cell. And this is why antibiotics can usually target infections and bacteria and help us recover from them. Viruses, on the other hand, are very powerful. They are able to penetrate the cell membrane and sort of hijack the cell. It takes over the DNA and it replicates all over your body. And this is why when you get a virus, you get sick very quickly. Now, usually when we go to the doctor and the doctor determines that we have a virus, they usually do not give us any medication. And the reason for that is because the medications are not able to penetrate the cell and touch the virus. So they usually will say, go home, drink fluids, rest, you'll feel better in a week or two. I'm happy to tell you, though, that there is something that you can do for viruses, and that is using essential oils. Because essential oils are plant-based materials, your cells see them as friendly, and so they are free to penetrate the cell membrane and attack those viruses and take care of them. If you're able to catch a virus at the onset and start using oils, you're able to stop the virus before it replicates all over your body. And so you're looking at minimal symptoms and recovering in just a few days versus a couple of weeks. Essential oils are not only able to work on the viruses on the inside of the cell, but they're also able to target the infections and bacteria that are around our cells. So they are able to freely work anywhere in our body that they are needed to help kill and take care and give us relief from anything that invades our bodies during cold and flu season.